Hey guys, what's going on? Sirluis here, the YouTuber to invest to rest, and in today's video, I'll be showing you guys here on Opensea how to mint and list your NFTs for free with no gas fee at all. I'll be showing you guys here step by step on how to do this and get your NFT artwork or whatever you guys want to use as an NFT out there in the marketplace so anybody can view it. All right. So let's get started here. I'm going to show you guys here how to do it. So obviously you want to go to Opensea and then you want to obviously create your wallet. I like to use MetaMask. I think there's other wallets that they use, but MetaMask is the main one. Create your MetaMask if you already have it. Perfect. What you want to do next is go right over here. What I recommend to do next is instead of just going on and creating the NFT, go to your profile and create a collection and then click on create a collection. Okay, the reason why I recommend you guys to create a collection first is because instead of just throwing some random NFT out there, it's better to have like a theme collection of a group of NFTs that is based on that theme. Because most of the successful NFTs out there that sell really well are the ones that are in a collection, right? You rarely see an NFT that's selling well just from some random person that just put it up there. Usually it's a collection of different artwork that is similar based on that collection, right? So it's actually very simple. You just put a logo image, then you name your collection. You can also edit the URL. So it's actually good to be early in this because a lot of URLs are already taken. Then here, this is really cool. You put the category, and I recommend to do this. So is your collection an art collection? Is it trading cards based? Is it collectibles, sports based? What is it, utility? Let's say you have an Instagram for your NFT collection. Put it over here, Twitter, all that. Now the royalties are really important you cannot pass 10% royalties. So let's say right here I want 20%, right? It says right here, value cannot be more than 10%. So if you want to put 10% royalties, which is the maximum, go right ahead. You just put 10, or you could put 5, or you can just leave it at 0. And then here, after you put the royalties, it's going to ask for your payout wallet address. So you basically just go to your MetaMask, get that same address from your MetaMask, and paste it right here. That's how you're going to get paid. So the next thing here, which is actually very important, and I'll show you guys here when creating your NFT, is right here. The blockchain that you want to use is Polygon. It says right here, a fast, gas-free blockchain experience that works with Ethereum. So you want to press that, okay, and you want to use Polygon. So next is putting up your NFT, right? So let me do it here with you guys. You press create. Then here you want to drop your NFT. Now, and then here, this is where you put it in your collection. So you click right here and it's going to show up all the collections that you make, and then you click on it. That's how you add it to the collection. There's many types of things that you can create for this. Levels, there's stats. Then right here, which is actually very cool, is the unlockable content. You can have an unlockable content. Then moving on here, you want to change Ethereum to Polygon because this is what it's going to make it be gas free and free to list. Okay, change it to Polygon. After you change it, you can edit the supply. You can keep just one supply, or you can make a supply of 100 of your NFTs, right? That's the supply. Click create. Okay. It's going to say please wait. And then boom, right there. You just created a banana. Woo, you just created a banana. You can share it on Twitter and all that. Click right here. Now here's how it works. So I created it, but it's still not in the marketplace. And what I mean by that is if people were to search it, okay, there's nobody selling it basically. Now what you want to do next is you want to sell it, right? So what you want to do is click sell. And then right here, remember I told you there's 100 available. You could pick the amount available that you want, or you could click the amount that you want to sell from that supply. So let's say I got 100. Well, I just want to sell 10 of that 100, right? And then this is where you click the price. So here in the price, so you could put whatever price that you guys want. You can literally make it a cent. I've seen NFTs out there that are literally a cent, and they get a lot of sales. See right here, I could put 3 cents, complete listing, and it would be up in the marketplace. And this is gas free. Okay, just like I told you guys, this is gas free. Once you click sell, it's gonna be up there in the marketplace. Many people are gonna be able to view it and basically buy it or not. And also when people buy it, it'll also be gas free. And if you guys are probably thinking like, oh, there's way better projects on the Ethereum and all that stuff, there's actually a lot of good projects on the Polygon. If you actually go right here to explore, okay, you can just click right here. You just go to chains. I only want to see Polygon based. Okay, click on Polygon, and you'll see here all the NFTs that are based on the Polygon. So all these NFTs are basically the same way. They created it the same way that I just showed you guys, right? Gasless. If you want to buy them too, it's gasless as well. So looking at these projects, there's a lot of good projects here actually. So I'm pretty sure you guys have heard of Zedrun, which is that horse, right, that you buy it and then you can race it on the website. That's on the Polygon. There's also the chicken derby. I'm pretty sure you guys seen down with the chicken. They have like their website, and I like to play around with the filters and just click right here, sort by recently sold, and you can see what people are actually buying on this. So as you guys can see right here, there's a lot of people that are buying on the Polygon. So don't think that, you know, you're gonna list your things and not get it viewed as much as it would on Ethereum, because there's still a lot of people out there that are buying on the Polygon, especially because it's like gasless. So yeah guys, that's how you basically mint and list your NFTs for free on Opensea, which is the biggest platform, and people can view it and they can buy it. Also when they buy it, it'll go directly to your MetaMask, okay? And also in the future, if they decide to sell it, the royalties would go as well to your MetaMask as well. So yeah guys, that's you guys do it. Definitely start creating some good NFT. So thank you guys so much for watching. Join my free Facebook group and my Reddit, and also check out my Patreon, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.